Hello everyone, this is me Manya Gupta and the bulletin of the day begins with Batbox 2.0 malware which infects over 1 million Android devices, PhonePe to bring UPI payments to feature phones via GSPay, Perplexity AI's bold strategy to take on Google in AI search rate, Google Gemini's real-time captions features enhances accessibility, Microsoft Copilot gets native checkout feature for seamless online shopping, Google Chrome hits record performance score on Speedometer. Finally, about tech giants, indirect emissions surge 150% amid rapid AI growth. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you which email service is owned by Microsoft, and the answer is Outlook. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What is the full form of GPU? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news section, the FBI has issued a warning about Batbox 2.0, a sophisticated malware strain affecting over 1 million Android devices globally. Initially discovered in early 2023 on T95 Android TV boxes sold on Amazon, the malware is now found pre-installed on various unbranded Chinese-made Android smart TVs, streaming boxes, tablets, and LOT devices. Notably, some devices from known brands like Hisense, Yandex have also been affected. Batbox 2.0, believed to be the part of Trida malware, aims to generate revenue through fraud and credential theft. Now, the malware routes traffic through infected devices to mask its activities, making detection challenging. Infected devices may exhibit signs like overheating, high CPU usage, or unauthorized changes in settings. The users are advised to avoid installing untrusted third-party apps and to monitor their devices for the unusual behavior. Well, in a major financial inclusion push, India's digital payments giant PhonePe is gearing up to bring UPI payments to feature phone users through a new application-based GSPay technology, developed by conversational messaging firm Gupshup. Now, the initiative could empower 240 million Indians who still use non-smartphones, especially in rural semi-urban areas. This new system will allow users to send and receive money, scan QR codes, even make offline peer-to-peer payments, all without requiring an internet connection. With government agencies like NPCI promoting UPI Lite and offline transactions, PhonePe's move is timely and could drive significant adoption. By introducing the system, PhonePe is also looking to strengthen its lead in the Indian UPI ecosystem, which is currently witnessing massive competition from Paytm, Google Pay, and BharatPe. Moving on, Perplexity AI is emerging as a rising star in the world of AI-powered search engines with ambitions to challenge Google's decade-long dominance. Company CEO Arvind Srinivas recently revealed in an interview that Perplexity now handles over 650 million monthly queries, growing rapidly thanks to its clean, citation-backed interface and answer-first format. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity offers AI-generated answers with sources, summaries, and clickable links, reducing the need to open multiple tabs or search through the SEO-heavy website. The company aims to solve what it calls search fatigue problem by offering clarity, speed, and credibility. But it is not just about better search. Srinivas envisions a future driven by AI agents, which won't just answer questions, but complete those tasks autonomously, from booking flights to managing to-do lists. The company is also developing its own web browser, refining its mobile experience on iOS and Android. Google is enhancing its AI assistant Gemini by introducing a much-needed feature, real-time captions. Now, this function allows users to receive live transcription of spoken audio during conversation, meeting, or videos in real time, directly on the screen. Rollout has begun gradually, with beta testers already accessing the feature on Pixel and select Android devices. Now, this addition boosts accessibility for users with hearing impairments and enhances clarity during phone calls or video playback in noisy environments. It also provides a valuable tool for note-taking, recording interviews, and real-time translations, critical for students, journalists, and global teams. Google is using its powerful on-device speech recognition models to minimize latency, ensure captions are fast and accurate. The feature will work even when Gemini is in passive mode, meaning users don't need to issue a prompt. It listens, transcribes automatically once enabled. By focusing on usability and inclusivity, this update strengthens Google's competitive edge against the rivals like Apple Siri or Amazon Alexa in the evolving AI assistant space. Microsoft has taken a major step forward in its AI shopping assistant experience by introducing native checkout functionality to Copilot, its AI-powered assistant, which is used over Windows, Edge, or Bing. Now, with this new feature, users can now browse products, compare price, and complete purchase all within the Copilot interface without needing to visit external e-commerce websites. This feature leverages Microsoft's partnership with platforms like Shopify, allowing secure in-chat transactions. To users, this means fewer redirect, faster checkout, and a more streamlined shopping experience, particularly for impulse or last-minute purchase. Copilot also suggests products based on user queries, past behavior, and real-time preferences, enhancing personalized recommendations. Now, this move places Microsoft in a direct competition with Google's shopping and Amazon's Alexa voice shopping experiences, expanding the commercial use of generative AI. Google has announced that Chrome has reached its highest ever score on the Speedometer 3 browser performance benchmark, marking a 10% improvement since August 2024. Speedometer 3 benchmark is a respected industry standard designed to evaluate how well a browser performs real-world usage scenario, particularly focusing on JavaScript responsiveness and UI speed. Improvements stem from deep optimization in Chrome's Blink rendering engine, which also powers browsers like Microsoft Edge, Brave, and Opera. Key updates include faster garbage collection, reduced layout thrashing, better memory management, and smarter use of the GPUs for rendering. Beyond raw speed, Google emphasized that it is also prioritizing energy efficiency and battery life, especially important for mobile and laptop users. Speedometer achievement reflects not just performance enhancements but also Google's broader commitment to user experience, speed, and reliability. Last but not the least, in a concerning revelation, a new report by the International Telecommunication Union, a United Nations agency, highlights that tech giants such as Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta, they have seen their indirect emissions skyrocket by an average 150% between 2020 and 2023. These emissions, known as Scope 2 emissions, are largely attributed to the vast energy demands of AI infrastructure, particularly massive data centers used for training and running AI models. Amazon leads the surge with 182% increase, while Microsoft follows a 155%, Meta at 145%, and Alphabet at 138%. Data underscores a growing irony. While tech companies are touting AI as a force for sustainability and efficiency, very infrastructure supporting it is consuming enormous amounts of electricity, often sourced from non-renewable grids. So as AI becomes more integrated into the daily life, the challenge of balancing innovation with sustainability becomes more pressing. Now, this was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all your updates. Thank you.